In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on Samsung A55 5G. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the refresh rate for any Samsung device that you have, including the A55 5G. All that you have to do is head over into the settings. So you will find the options related to refresh rate when you go into the display category. So you will have connections, then modes and routines, and finally display. You can also use the search function if you prefer. When you go into the display category, the option that you are looking for is motion smoothness. So instead of calling it refresh rate, Samsung labels it as motion smoothness. And in here, you will find the main options. So on any Samsung device, you will only be able to choose between the two options listed here, adaptive and standard. Standard is going to lock it to 60 Hz. So if you go back, you will notice that scrolling, playing games, and doing any sort of activity will be very jarring. It is like the screen is jittery and it isn't updating fast. However, if you set it to adaptive, the phone will automatically control the refresh rate. Basically, it doesn't allow you to lock it to always being on 120 Hz. This is done to save battery. However, adaptive is enough, and even though I had my doubts about not being able to lock it to 120 Hz like my old mobile device, it is going to be quite nice. So you don't have to worry. You are still going to get the full experience of 120 Hz when you are playing fast-paced games, or even in day-to-day use when you are browsing, reading, and so on, you will notice the difference. Even in this example here, it's easy to tell that standard is much more slow and jarring than adaptive. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is go into the display settings, motion smoothness, and change it to adaptive. Keep in mind that if you are using Power Saver, you will not be able to go into adaptive, so you have to turn that off. And of course, adaptive is going to consume a little bit more of battery, but it is absolutely worth it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on Samsung A55 5G. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.